Hi there, my name is Ivan Luz, and in this video you're going to see another cool tip for dealing with lists in Python. Uh, for this we built on top of the previous example. So here, as you can see, we have a list, and this list has 6 dictionaries inside that, and each of the dictionaries has the ID and name property. And if you look closer here, you're going to probably notice that 1 for ID 1 and 4 have the same name. For ID 2 and 5 we also have the same name, so it's bar. And for 3 and 6 the same thing, so we have bar, bus. So let's say that we want to collect a list of the unique names that we have inside this list of dictionaries. So probably what some people would do would be to create a list of maybe unique names being a list, then iterate for I and items, getting the name here like name equals I indexed of name, and then if name not in unique names, we could append here unique names this new name. So if you print the list here, let's see what's the result that you get. Yeah, so here have full bar bus, even though we have iterated over the 6 items. So better approach probably would be to create a set here. So first we don't need to check if the name is there, because sets are supposed to hold unique values. So probably we could just get rid of this if condition, and then here we would replace append with add, and then let's run this to see how it behaves. And yes, as you can see, we have constructed a set here that is comprised of the unique names. So for this, we were able to reduce from, let's say, 5 lines to 4 lines, but we can do even better, right? So Python has this cool feature called set comprehensions. So it's very similar to what we have seen in the previous videos. So instead of doing this, we could have something like, we can open with curly brackets here, but instead of having something like I did before, like I indexed of ID column I indexed of name, so this will create a dictionary, right? So what I can do here instead is just to get rid of this first part, and then we can iterate over the list like we did before. So for I in items, and now if you delete these lines here and run the code, you're gonna see that, just make sure that it ran. Yeah, it ran. So as you can see here, we got the same result, but now we were able to reduce from 5 lines to just 1. So again, really powerful feature, something that can help us to make our code cleaner and more concise. So I hope you enjoyed that, and see you in the next video.